single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So here we are in my living room, and I want to show you my washi tape collection. So this is what I have so far. These are little charms and stuff that I made. A little Lego piece. Alice in Wonderland on the background. It's a little dinging off the light there. This little charm. And I have, I originally meant this to be a pendulum. No, I was messing. The other one somewhere else. But anyway, back to washi tape. Okay. This is what I have. Most of these I got at AC Moore. Got some of them at Walmart, like a couple of them at Walmart. These ones, this one and this one, because they're too big to fit. This is farm animals for my new interest in going vegan. They are friends, not food. I got this cute rainbow. That actually came in a pack with a unicorn pack. This one came in my nautical pack. And they used to be organized, but they're not anymore. This one has the world on it. It's globe. This one, these came together. It's the United States. And there's another one that came with these. Yeah, but it's in here somewhere. We'll get to it. This is part of the nautical theme. Design. Sailing is my life. It says a lot on this one. It's like really long to get every design, so, but I'm not gonna unravel it. It's another part of the nautical. These right here also came in my unicorn pack. That one, and obviously these two. I like that they come in different thicknesses. That. We have the rest of my nauticals. I'm gonna get a cover. It's like little coral designs, just ropes, some, I guess, more coral stripes, the nautical stripes. I love this. It says, she believed she could, so she did, and I love it. That's my sister. Here's another nautical one. It's an anchor. And then this one, as you can see, hold on, these came in a pack together. This says, let the wild rumpus start, and I'll eat you up, I love you so. That's from Where the Wild Things Are. I thought this was awesome. And it always messes me up because they're hanging from trees, but then I want to turn it this way, like they're upside down. I don't know. Sorry for the in and out of blurriness. I'm using my phone right now. Then I have this gold one. I think I got that in I think this actually came with the unicorn pack. And then these ones came together. These two came together. Piano keys and music notes. And these two came together. Bumblebees and the polka dots. And moving right along, these ones. Just recently got these. I think, where did I get these from? I think I got them from Michael's, maybe. Done. No, matter of fact, I got them from Hobby Lobby. Down Route 100. Done, noted. I don't know, I just liked it. This is today. That's all it says on there is today. This one's hello. Hello. Yeah, I actually like those. I can't wait to use them. I haven't used those yet. I do junk journaling and making my own journals and stuff, so I'll probably use them in there. I can't wait. This is one I got, a single pack by Scotch. But they tried. I love it though. It's kind of big. It doesn't fit in my case, so I have to leave it by itself and tilt it. Same with this one. I love this polka dots. Looks like a party. I love it. This is my Silhouette Africa one. This one's actually really long too, because you can see the giraffe through there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's there. I love this. What else? Oh, right here. Another part of my unicorn pack of stars. These ones here, these four, I should say, came together, I think. This one, I wouldn't recommend getting anything with glitter on it, because once you lift it up, hold on a second, the glitter sticks to it, so it's already low tack, so it doesn't stick at all. You might want to have to add some Mod Podge or Elmer's glue or something, PVA glue. But then I got these donuts, sprinkles, and this cute little design. And that is it for my washi tape collection. I'll fix that later. That's it. And then I have little charms and stuff in here as I showed before. This I got off of Etsy. I think they're so freaking cute. I made this one. It's a little fruit drink. I love it. I love that. And these are the cups that I got. I got a whole bunch of little plastic cups that I made my little X-Acto for more precision. I just took a blade and put it in some polymer clay that I used a Komala kind of design for. And this is a Sophie and Toffee shaker that I made. Yeah, I really gotta get a better camera. You see the little glitter inside. Oh, I actually think that's kind of leaking. I'm gonna have to take that out. Oh, my umbrella. An umbrella here, but my son broke the handle off. I also got this mold from Sophie and Toffee. I'll be showing you guys my molds and stuff too. But this is another Sophie and Toffee mold that I got. Sophie and Toffee is great. I'm not sponsored by them, but I had subscribed to the Elves box, the monthly Elves box. Yeah, I'm going to keep that out. And they come with all kinds of great stuff, like this UV torch I got from there. And this I got from Etsy. This actually came with my little cups. They're little cane slices with the fruits and stuff. So yeah, that is all I have to show for today. But guys, I'm trying to make this channel big, so like, comment, subscribe. Any ideas you would like me to do, I'll do a walkthrough of my journals, all that stuff, journal tours, whatever. Thank you.